Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be checking out the new, I think it was called Summer Splash Update. That's kind of cool. So, we got two new bundles here. We got Watermelon Spinosuchus.
Oh, yo,
That's pretty cool.
the fish.
And we have a, I'm not sure how to explain that hammer hug, but
Yo, does anybody want to defeat Mosasaurus with us?
I like those colors. And we got
I'm trying to train my
Mozo.
Mozo.
They have released
any
merch.
level to mine.
If I click that, I'll be
What level is it?
I'll get disconnected.
What will you take?
So I think if you buy
Like
one
a
of like a
Tyrannosaur any level.
Spinosuchus plush,
A
you would get a
Chomamasaur?
Spinosuchus in the game.
Damn, I don't got that here.
Cool.
What if I do a
Don't click
Skeleton?
that. Okay, that was close.
What if I do a Skeleton?
I think
that
I'll just
Skeleton.
show you guys the. What
And-
so
Wait, I had something. A Chronosuchus
Show
egg.
you guys. Oh,
Skeleton and a
I think to get the new
Chronosuchus
golden
egg.
egg, you gotta feed this little turtle,
Yeah?
fishies 3 times, and then you gotta pat his shell.
Hold up.
So I think that's how you get it. I mean that is how I got it. So that's how you get it. I think
Guys, is this a
I
fair
will
trade?
try to get
Is this
some
a fair
people
trade?
to fish for the Chronosuchus.
Guys, is this a fair trade?
Is there anything new here?
What is
No. Alright.
this? Is the
would you guys
Skeleton
like
and a
to-
Chronosuchus egg good for a
Hey guys, would you
level,
like to
level
fish
10
for the
Mosasaurus?
Chronosuchus?
Yes, it is. That is a good trade.
Would you guys
I'm
like to fish for the
overpaid. Who's
Chronosuchus? I'm trying to get it, you know. Okay, I'm gonna take that
This
as
is
a
I
nine.
have the Chron-
Alright.
You-
so that, huh?
Will you just do this? Will you just do this? This is
So,
leaving.
I
This is
really have
leaving.
Chrono.
If I remember correctly.
You want
I
the
already
Chrono
have-
egg? I don't know
you
if
have to
I'm
get
gonna trade the
this
Chrono
little
egg. I might
lizard
keep it.
fishing
Why
rod, I
can't
think?
it let me pull my
Hold
thing
on.
down?
Bro.
Yo, show me your deck.
It's
Show me your
called
deck.
a
Show me your deck.
lizard rod
Guys, who
weapon.
wants to see Cheeto?
That's cool.
Is this correct? Wait, guys, is this a good trade?
Leg spikes.
I have
Is this a
10,000
good trade?
now.
I don't
Now I
want
can
that
do
one.
the infusion.
I really
For-
Is this
Yeah.
a good trade?
Alright,
Wait, guys,
This one's
is
for
this a
Chrono.
good trade?
No, it's not.
Yeah, this
I
is
want
like an
the
okay
Chrono
trade.
egg. I
Can
don't
you go down?
I'm not
No.
sure what this means. I
Monsters of
think
Organic.
I will
I'll
just
do-
take this one.
Bro,
Guys,
you
who
don't
wants
let me
to
take
become
on my
who wants
Mozo.
to see Cheeto?
Infusion. Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
okay.
I'll just try
Here,
Come on,
to
guys.
get
wants to
Let's
see
guys
Cheeto?
do
Let's
the
go,
trade,
dude.
bro.
Team
I
Baby
don't have
Fusion.
it either, bro.
The
I
new one.
have.
Wait, what?
both
There's a
of
new
them. I
fusion?
don't need that.
Yeah. What is it?
The only thing
What
I
is
want
that?
is the Chrono egg.
What is
in
that?
the-
Is that
in the
what is that? Is that like an ankle?
No, why is there
Is
an,
that-
why are
somehow
the
leveled
dinos
up
just
the dino.
floating?
Oh,
okay.
Why are the dinos
I'm not
grabbing
sure what it is.
things?
I don't think I can get it because I don't have this dino.
Oh, are
I
you the
think
guy
it's
made
this one.
invisible?
I'm not sure
Yeah.
what
Guys,
it's
I'm
called,
waiting.
but it's this one.
I was going to make me sick.
What is it called?
Hold up, bro.
I don't know how to pronounce
Guys,
it.
guys, who wants to see? Who wants to see my
Leosaurus.
dinosaur Cheeto?
Team New
Who wants to
Fusion.
see my dinosaur Cheeto?
Oh,
Your
okay.
what?
That was weird.
Do you want to see my
Yo,
dinosaur
does
named
anybody want to do
Cheeto?
Mosasaurus?
Dinosaur
Does
named
anybody want to do
Cheetah. Can I see?
Mosasaurus?
That is a freaking ball.
Yo, no,
bro.
don't do the
What
fusion. Don't
the
do the fusion.
heck?
It's not worth it.
That's a freaking ball.
His
bro.
name's Cheeto.
Yeah, I don't think that's
Do
a
not
cheetah,
do
bro.
the
That's
fusion.
a whole
It's not
ball.
worth it, bro. The hammer honk goes so slow. Do not.
It's a Cheeto.
I think.
The hammer honk.
Sir, would you like
so
to
slow.
fish
In
for the
the
new
thing-
Chrono?
No,
In the
bro,
thing on the type of
don't.
dinosaur,
Alright,
it literally says Cheeto.
would you like to
Because
fish
the
for the
hammer honk
Chronosuchus?
does.
Yeah, it says
it doesn't.
level
It's so
30
slow.
species Cheeto.
You.
Titan
Would you like to fish for the Chronosuchus?
Do you have a hammer hug? I would like to fish for the Chronosuchus. You idiot!
Alright, would
You
anyone like to
idiot.
try to get the Chronosuchus? I'm trying to get the.
I said I
I'm
would
trying to
like
spot it
to
in
try to get the
for.
Chronosuchus.
What?
I would like You to. Try to
idiot.
get the Why would you do that?
Okay, I'll get the chrono.
Do you have no?
I'll get the
Wait,
Chrono.
Pearl.
Hey, I want no. I also want to do the Chrono. I also want to do the Chrono,
I don't
dude.
even know what your username is.
I also want to do the Chrono.
Sir,
I also
excuse
wanna do
me,
the
sir.
Dude,
Sir.
can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
You have, I think you
hear
should
me?
use this fishing rod. This one's better.
Can you hear me?
I don't own that. I don't own that.
Oh, then I'll buy it for you, man.
Do you hear me?
kind of want it.
Do you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yeah, I hear you.
Anybody
Wait a
have?
minute, I also want to go fishing.
Anybody
It's
have?
2,000 bones.
still
Chill out.
works, but
Guys, Chronosuchus is here. Chronosuchus is here.
If I do the
No,
mag
it's
go
not.
down and
Stop
try
lying.
steady
Yeah,
feed,
it is.
worth
No, it's not.
Can anybody?
Yeah,
How many
I
people need? Oh,
Yes, it is. You idiot.
I can't see it. Alright, so I think, do y'all need the fishing rod? How much people
You
need
guys are
it?
so idiots.
How much people need it?
what
I
is
think it's
Chrono's
two.
here?
Here, you have this one, and you get this one.
What do you mean by Chrono?
Alright, let's go fish for it. Let's go.
Skelly for that Skelly bag.
I'm trying.
Wait, do you have hammer hug?
Wait, but first we need a weapon, because I don't think we can kill it without a weapon. Alright, so I
can I
think
for the hammer hug?
I'm gonna
or
let this
hammer
follow
hug?
me, because I'm not trying to.
Wait, guys,
Alright,
question.
I got the
Wait, is there
crossbow
a way
and
can
the
you-
fishing
is-
rod. Let's go.
It's somewhere
Guys,
else
where
now.
does the
I'm
There you
stuck.
go.
question?
I'm stuck.
I'll trade for the hammer hug.
The chrono did not spawn. Stop lying.
It's right here. It's right here. It's
Wait,
right
it
here.
actually spawned?
Would
What?
you get it?
Yeah, I'll trade for it.
It actually
What do you
spawned?
mean?
You're joking,
Where's
right?
Chrono? Where's Chrono?
No, I didn't. You're joking.
I can't see it.
Sorry.
You have to fish it.
Where
You have
is
to
it?
fish it.
I don't see it.
You have to fish it.
I have a
You have to fish it out.
idiotic people.
Someone said the chrono was here.
I want to
Yeah, to fish it out.
Oh
Dingus.
my
Like,
gosh,
think about it.
man. That's not what I
Use your
meant.
head.
Alright, I'm gonna use a dino. I'm not trying to
Cheetos,
hold
why are
it.
you
I
floating
thought
on
it
top of the
spawned,
water?
but they were lying. They said you need to fish it there.
It moved. It moved.
So I
Where
gotta
is
get
it
my
now?
dinosaur.
Baby angry.
Since
Over
they
here,
freaking
Don't do
stole
that,
it.
Ham. Don't do it. You're overpaying.
You just want
My-
to trade him.
Right where I'm
Okay,
standing.
so-
I know, but look,
Two holders.
I am going
So
to add.
I'm not trying to lose this.
I got a level 50 try Skelly now.
It's right here.
He just
Whoa,
doesn't
that
know.
was close. I was about to end the video.
I have Discord.
Well,
Here,
that's
come look at
fine.
this. Come
Yo,
look.
right here. Fish it right
Come over here. Come over here, man.
Oh!
Ham, come over here.
All right.
Ham, come
I
over
think
here.
we should go to the fishing area now.
Trying.
All right, guys. Wait for me. Wait for me.
Is that Mother Skelly,
All
man?
right, guys. I'm here.
No.
I have my. Alright, let's see if I can catch my camera.
KGs.
No.
Where is it?
Right here. Right here.
All right, got it. Nice.
See it.
Ham.
Bro, I'm fishing under the water.
Where is it? Oh.
It's right there.
I think I'll leave it like that.
No, you're not.
I didn't get it. This is not the one.
All right, guys. Let's go fish
I
for the
got a
new
chicken
alpha.
fish while being
I'm trying to
under
show
the-
my freaking I don't know, like
Yeah, I'm
10
looking
viewers or
at it.
something. I don't know.
Yeah,
Okay,
it takes
Ham,
him.
Delete the Gruggadon.
Oh, what's the chances? You guys know the chances? Or no, actually, I'm not trying to ask for chances. Actually, whoa, whoa, whoa! What?
I was just saying.
Was I actually struggling for the fish? What even is this?
Whoever's whoever's
Oh, I hit my wall.
Dinos just moved,
Guess
bro.
what?
I gave your dino the chicken fish.
Well, wait. How do you know if you
Whoever
got
is
it?
this, bro? In the way.
Oh.
Because this is not.
Wait, guys. How do you know if you got it? Cause
Dude,
I'm
I'll
not.
help you later.
I'm not.
No, I just got
Do you guys know? How do you know when you get the alpha?
I'm pretty sure there's like a skull or
You're
something.
scamming
You know what,
me.
I'm gonna look up- How does that make sense?
What do you mean? Calculator does not
How does
work.
that make sense?
It said I traded a. I offered a level 100 mother. Skelly
Alright,
Magnon.
I'm gonna go to where you guys are because I feel like
let me
that's
try
a
it.
good
Let me
spot.
try it.
But I'm not sure. Oh, it is actually a good spot.
It's a broken ass.
Look at this spot, guys.
No, here.
Oh, my camera's right there. How am I supposed to get it? Alright. Alright, hold on. I gotta jump for it. Not again, bro. I can't even reach it. Oh, that was so close. Come on. That was finally. I got it. I'm not clicking.
Right here. Try going. Try fishing in the middle. Try fishing in the middle of its
Alright, you know what? No,
So it's like swing. Yo,
there.
aim right here.
Did it? Alright, finally. I got my camera to work. I don't want it to follow me.
Yo, no way we're wasting all
I
this.
got my rod. My crossbow is on the holder, so
Okay, now you're trading the Xenodon.
let's just hope I get the alpha, or we get the alpha. What am I fishing for? Oh, it's baby angler. Hey, Shelodactyl, can you catch? Oh, nice. He ate it.
Yo, how's yours so big?
What happened? My Shelodactyl?
Any of y'all want to
No, this thing.
What?
How's this? How's the power tag so big? Mine's so small on my Spinosaurus.
Sir, the power tag.
Maybe because the
Wait, this is a. There's no way this is a big.
sizes.
Can I have that, please?
You fat chud, bro. Did you just eat my baby anglerfish?
It's a level 52 Xenodon, and it's
Well, the 52, 50.
Gang, what are you doing here? You're not even fishing for the alpha. You're just flying around. What?
Because I don't have a rod.
What do you mean you don't have a rod? I thought I gave you one. Never mind. I don't. Oh, look
No,
at
you
that!
didn't.
You're like,
Is that the big angler?
let's go. I got the big angler. Look at that. Let me see. Oh, bro. Holy lag spikes. I'm not. Wait, there's a third page now.
You didn't know.
No, because I was gone for like 1 week and a couple of days.
You like my bundle?
They added 2 new
there's
fish.
lags.
Dude, there,
Oh wait, I already knew.
Wait,
there's
they
lag
did?
spikes.
A baby
Fish
sandworm.
fish.
Yeah, I'm not trying to get that right now. I'm trying to
No,
get
that's
this new
easy
alpha
to get.
fauna.
The
It's not
sandworm's
new.
easy. The sandworm's easy, really easy.
Oh, whoa, what was that? The
Can I
camera's
try?
turning everywhere.
Easy to get.
Am I falling? I think
Can I
I'm
try
falling.
doing it?
That
Can I try
The
doing that?
sandworm is really
I'm gonna
easy
put you
to
back
get.
in the ocean. I don't need. There's no way you just caught that. What?
People don't sell me
Me?
their bundles.
Did you eat that? Did you eat the
They
yellowfish?
don't even have them.
I think so, but I didn't do it on purpose.
Like that.
Okay. It's actually taking a long time.
Oh well, you're not tough.
I think I'm falling again.
I'm tough. I'm just turning.
I'll just feed it to
Oh,
this
somebody might
skeleton.
have gotten it. I saw.
Why
Oh,
would I trade for those?
Yo, you're about to fall, bro.
My dinos is better than them. And
what are you doing? Why are you
better dinos.
You need to do it in a specific place to do it.
You need to do it in a specific place.
Oh, I got it! Oh my gosh, I just got it. I had it. Oh my gosh.
No, you did not.
Start
Why?
No, I saw the skull. There was a skull on the indicator. When you see instead of
So
a
if you
fish,
see a
if you see
wait,
a
so if
skull,
you see a
that means
skull,
get
you got it.
Yeah. If you
Oh,
see
okay,
a
then
skull,
that's
that
easy to
means
tell.
you're
Then.
catching
So
it.
if I see a skull, then I mean, if I don't see
Does
a
anybody
skull,
have
right
that
there,
Morphagon?
dude, that's so hard. You have
Does anybody have that Morphagon?
like you've never pulled before.
Oh, I have Dimorphagon.
not tough.
I do too.
I don't.
Why? Hey, come,
Fortunately.
Come. Hey, bro, no, come on.
Fortunately.
I said unfortunately.
Oh.
Oh my god, I got the smallest baby angler ever.
You see? Oh
the
dang!
frick is this
That's
tiny
like a
turd?
pebble,
Let
bro.
me eat it.
That's
No,
like a
don't touch it.
pebble.
Get into my big monster.
Me.
Hey, let's see who can cast the longest.
I'm back from my trade up going.
Oh, look at that.
I got it again. I have it again.
Are you lying?
I got it.
Did he actually get it?
I got it.
Did he actually get
It's over
it?
there. No!
Oh my
I
god.
got the skull again.
There's no way, bro. I don't know how to tell you're lying,
Let me
bro.
try.
I have a bundle.
Let me try. Someone let me
under
try.
Oh my god.
Does anyone have the the lizard rock unlocked? I'm not trying to waste my
Bro, let
bones.
me try.
low-key, though.
Someone let me try, bro.
Thank you. How about a different bundle?
No, I gotta get it this
Yo,
time.
why is this lizard looking at me?
Olaf.
Yo, can I please try? Conquest. Can I please try?
Conquest is here. Yo, what? Who invited Conquest
Let me
to
try, bro. And if I pull on the first try, you guys are dweebs. Cause that is crazy.
you
if
don't
can't
know
get
how
Yo,
the
it's
outfit.
not like it's gonna work differently for you.
You don't know
Dude,
that.
you don't know how hard it is. Oh my god, I got it again.
No, but it's no. I feel like this kid is lying, dude. He got it 3 times.
That is some BS.
Wait, I mean, it kind of looks like he does have it. I mean, look at that bending. Dear Lord, have mercy.
I'm actually tweaking.
Oh my God, he actually got it.
I got it. I told you. What did I say?
Dear Lord, have mercy.
What did I say?
I can't get my camera.
Yes, I did.
I can't get my camera, but I'm killing it. Holy cow, this kid is lucky as heck. Did we get the egg?
That was so
Oh,
hard.
shoot. No egg, man. You're
That
joking.
was so hard.
Okay, bro. It was not that hard, bro.
Yeah, I mean, bro, this kid, his
was
arm
not
was like
that hard,
freaking
gang.
turned, like, he was doing that, bro. God, bro, you okay, bro?
I was doing this.
Let's keep this fishing, bro. God,
I'm
that
actually sweating.
looks really
I'm
hard,
actually
bro.
sweating.
Alright, I'm gonna put on first person in case if someone gets it again, cause I low-key want to get it again.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
That thing is hard.
is it actually really hard?
Oh. What?
Me driving
Skull. Skull? Okay.
Yeah, there's if you see like you first they have to be the little squiggles in the water. But if you see a skull on your little fish, if there's normally a fish there and there's a skull, that means you got it.
Alright, nice. Alright.
And there's
Honestly, I'll try my best if I get it. I think we should catch it one time. I think we should catch it one more time, and I'll probably end that video because
my
I
arm
think I
was
need to do
literally
some stuff.
No, seriously, my arm was tweaking.
Crying, son.
I could tell,
My arm
bro.
was tweaking.
Your arm was going like freaking super speed, man.
I'm actually crying, son. I'm actually crying.
Yo, are we trying to get it again or what? Oh, bundle
I'm
wrap.
just
That
gonna
was
go
nice,
feel my
man.
thing real quick. But
Yeah.
what the freak? That is thing is the hardest thing.
There's a lot of like there's a lot of like Raptor hunters.
Dude, I just. Yo guys, we
Oh,
just.
well, I'm
we
trying to
just-
get
we
a
just
bundle
caught the
Grugadon.
chrono,
A
but
bundle Grugadon.
You don't know how hard it is.
Yeah. What's my main goal right now?
Honestly, I don't even know my main goal, but I think I know my main goal. It's trying to be a fire starter. There you go. A star creator or whatever. I don't know. I forgot the name.
My biggest mag.
I'm
My
like,
fish is 90.
I'm at like at 45%. I'm like, yeah.
I was trying to catch
If you're 45%.
Yeah, to be a fire star creator. So honestly, I
You're
don't
level
really
5 on Star Creator.
Who has a bundle that they're really Oh, I have a perfect trade for that.
Well, I'm a bundle swap for you, so I have lots of bundles.
I can trade you my 27 for both of these. Yeah.
And, is this a new, this
Whoa,
to the
what is that?
index?
Like a unicorn? What is that?
Which trade
It is a unicorn.
These
That's
two.
cool.
What is that one?
But just look for
Oh yeah, this is the first one I
look for
caught.
the skull that's on your like little bar, okay?
It's worth like 5 bundles.
Ticky.
I'm losing the rarest
Where's
bundle in the
everyone?
game is Trumpy.
My rarest bundle in the game is Rapto.
No, it is not. It's
I only have
Trumpy.
one
Trumpy's
bundle.
really rare.
Which is the spine
used
sucker.
to
Bundle
have it.
Rugadon is.
I'm a little bit of a noob
Rugadon
player.
is the same value.
And it wasn't
You're just being biased because you have.
Like, I don't know how long I've been playing.
Oh, you're not training a Skelly
Not
man?
that long.
Yo, this guy called me dumb. You should report him. You called me dumb
Yeah,
earlier.
let's all report him. Everyone report him.
I thought you were training your Skelly Mag too.
He's
This is the
Who's fishing? Oh.
bundle in the game.
Wait, you don't even
It's
have a
worth
fishing
2
rod.
bundles.
So
it's
This already
What are you doing?
more. This already is worth more.
Okay.
No, it's not. This is the second most wanted bundle in the
No,
game.
but a lot of people have that. I seen like last server had.
Yeah,
that.
I've once I had one.
Alright, yeah, I don't want to do this. Like, literally, no one's helping me. So I think
I traded a
I'm gonna end the video here.
Yeah,
That
bundles
was
are
really
good.
cool
I've
of
seen
an
them all the
update.
time. In every server.
Not all the
Skelly
time.
Meg
yeah.
ain't that rare.
That's gonna be it for
Even
wait.
though it's like
I'm gonna see if they released a new
Skelly Meg
no, Skelly Meg does the
Try
whole
having
race.
somebody
Everybody
report
report
already.
bundle
I think
wrapped up
that's
for
it.
bullying. He called me dumb
Oh, it's like 4th
earlier.
of July. That's
Yeah,
really
I
cool.
did.
What do you get from it?
Yeah, who's training?
A mammoth
Who's the
award.
guy that was training the bundle? Who's the guy that
Wait,
was
this
training
top
the
hat actually looks
Skelly
cool.
Meg and the Tri-Skelly?
That's sick, man.
Both
So
of
I think
those.
that's gonna
I
be it
have
for
both of
today's
those.
video,
He
guys.
called me still dumb. He's still
Yo
calling me
guys, I'm
dumb.
trading Skelly index. I'm
No
really
one
rich.
cares.
I'm really rich on the top. In the medium section, I'm really broke. In the
Guys, is
medium
this fair?
section, and in the bottom section, I'm really,
Guys, is this fair?
really
Is this fair?
rich.
Okay,
didn't
I'm
get to
really
get a
rich
thumbnail
on
of the
here.
prawn.
I have
Sucks.
this
I think
egg.
this is just gonna be my thumbnail.
Move your stuff. And I have and I'm
Guys,
also
is
really
this fair?
rich on
Is this fair?
heal. And I'm
this fair? Is this
also
fair?
really rich.
Yo, can you make this hurry up?
So
My
you're
videos
really
are
rich.
that. Hurry up.